Hi there, and welcome to RECOM's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 1,000 watts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, RECOM has you covered. In this episode, we will be discussing an application and a couple of examples where RECOM converters can be used.
That's right, Jeff. Today I want to talk about EV chargers and charging stations and the different RECOM solutions customers are using.
That's definitely a growing market, Peter, with a ton of potential. Which product families are going into EV chargers?
So it turns out that all of our product categories are a good fit, but today let's focus on AC to DCs and isolated DC to DCs.
Okay, well let's start with the AC to DCs. What is the RECOM advantage here?
Yeah, so many engineers are selecting our board-level AC to DC power supplies due to their compact size, excellent operating temperature, as well as the strong EMI performance.
Well, not to mention very little design work for the customer.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So one of our customers has chosen the RAC 10-K277 because no external components are required, and it's UL certified right off the shelf.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they used to say. What exactly does our part power?
Yeah, so this specific customer is using it to power many of the low voltage electronics, such as their smart control systems and a DC fault current detection circuit.
Do you see any other potential uses for the AC to DC converters?
Yeah, it could be as simple as a fan or even something IoT related. So, everything is becoming smart these days, and many applications require circuitry to connect to the cloud.
Very versatile. How about the DC to DC requirements? Which one are they choosing here?
This particular customer, with one of our ultra-low-cost offerings, the RFMM-0505S, and that's a 1-watt DC to DC converter in a compact SIP7 package.
That's also isolated. Fantastic. What does this part power?
Yeah, so this supply is providing regulated power to part of their network interface, allowing for communication between their devices and the internet.
And why do you think they chose this part?
In addition to the price tag, this 1-watt DC to DC converter is UL certified and is a quick way for engineers to get isolation in their circuit that helps with reducing EMI.
That's a great example of how a module can help customers get to market much faster. Peter, fantastic, as always. Appreciate your time and thank you. Well, that about wraps it up for this episode of RECOM's Powerful Podcast. Be sure to listen next time when we delve into the pros of another RECOM topic. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing information. Our application engineers are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. You can email them at techsupport@recom-power.com. Until then, have a great day and always remember,
RECOM powers your products.